In this video, I am going to discuss about attention and interest, why these are important in learning. Attention is the cognitive process of selectively concentrating on one aspect of the environment while ignoring other things. It involves focusing mental resources on a particular stimulus or task. Imagine a student in a classroom listening to a lecture. Despite the background noise of other students chatting or the sound of traffic outside, the student concentrates on the teacher's voice and the lesson being taught. This act of focusing on the lecture while filtering out distractions is an example of attention. Now, types of attention. There are four primary types of attention, each serving different purposes and context. First is sustained attention or vigilance. Second, selective attention. Third, divided attention. And finally, alternating attention. Sustained attention is the ability to maintain focus on a task or stimulus over a prolonged period without becoming distracted. For example, a security guard monitoring surveillance cameras need to maintain sustained attention to detect any unusual activities or potential security threats over their entire shift. Despite the monotony, they must remain vigilant to ensure the safety of the premises. Selective attention is the ability to focus on a specific stimulus or task while ignoring irrelevant or distracting information. For example, during a lecture, a student concentrates on the professor's explanation while ignoring side conversations, the sound of typing or other classroom noises. This focused attention allows the student to absorb the material being taught without being distracted by the surrounding environment. Now, divided attention is the ability to process and respond to multiple tasks or stimuli simultaneously. A girl cooking dinner while talking on the phone demonstrates divided attention. They need to manage the cooking process, such as stirring a pot or chopping vegetables, while engaging in a coherent conversation. Both activities require cognitive resources, and successful multitasking depends on dividing attention between them. Lastly, alternating attention is the ability to switch focus between two or more tasks that require different cognitive demands. For example, a computer programmer may need to alternate between writing code and debugging it. Initially, they concentrate on writing new codes, a creative and constructive task, then switch to debugging, a problem-solving task. This requires shifting mental resources and attention between tasks that involve different types of thinking. Now, interest. Interest is a psychological state characterized by increased motivation, enthusiasm, and engagement towards a particular subject or activity. It often leads to sustained attention and deeper cognitive processing. A child who loves dinosaurs may show a keen interest in reading books, watching documentaries, and learning about different dinosaur species. This child's enthusiasm and curiosity about dinosaurs drive them to seek out more information and engage deeply with the topic. Now, relation between interest and attention. Interest and attention are closely related, as interest often drives attention. When a person is interested in a topic or activity, they are more likely to pay attention to it. Interest can enhance the quality and duration of attention, making it easier to focus and process information effectively. Conversely, attention can sometimes lead to the development of interest, especially when exposure to a subject reveals its engaging or intriguing aspects. Now, importance of attention and interest in learning. Enhances comprehension and retention. Focused attention allows learner to process information more deeply, leading to better understanding and memory retention. When students pay close attention, they are more likely to grasp key concepts and remember details. When learners are interested in a subject, they are more motivated to engage with the material, ask questions, and explore further. This intrinsic motivation fosters a deeper and more meaningful learning experience, increases engagement and participation. Sustained attention helps students stay engaged during lessons and activities, reducing the likelihood of distraction and off-task behavior. Engaged students participate more actively in discussions and activities. Interest drives engagement by making the learning experience enjoyable and relevant. When students find a topic interesting, they are more likely to participate actively and take initiative in their learning. Promotes higher order thinking. When students pay close attention, they can engage in higher order thinking processes such as analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. These cognitive processes are essential for problem solving and critical thinking. Interest encourages learners to delve deeper into subject, fostering curiosity and a desire to explore complex ideas and questions. This exploration often leads to development of higher order thinking skills, facilitates personal growth and lifelong learning. Developing the ability to focus attention is a crucial skill for academic success and personal growth. It helps students manage their learning effectively and achieve their educational goals. Cultivating interest encourages lifelong learning by motivating individuals to continuously seek knowledge and skills in areas they are passionate about. This ongoing pursuit of learning contributes to personal and professional development. Attention and interest are fundamental to the learning process. Attention ensures that learners are focused and processing information effectively, while interest motivates and engages them, making learning more enjoyable and meaningful. Together, they create a dynamic environment conducive to successful and sustained learning. Now, try this.